Alright, let's install the RGB daytime running light kit. First, remove the front right wheel cover. Loosen the lug nuts slightly, then place a jack under the proper lift point and raise the front wheel off the ground. Once the wheel is off the ground, remove the lug nuts completely and take off the wheel. Next, remove all the clips from the inner fender liner so you can access the daytime running light module. You'll see the DRL module behind the liner. Remove the 3 mounting screws. Take out the black retaining clip, disconnect the plug, and remove the DRL assembly. Take off the rubber gasket, then remove the 2 screws that secure the factory DRL module, and take it out. Now, grab the new right side RGB DRL module. Apply thermal paste evenly on the back of the new module. Line it up with the mounting holes and install it in place. Tighten the 2 screws and reinstall the rubber gasket. Next, reconnect the factory plug and the black retaining clip. Put the DRL assembly back into position and tighten the 3 mounting screws. Now open the front trunk. Remove the 4 mounting screws and take off the tow hook cover panel. Then disconnect the plug. Remove the air intake panel and the cabin air intake cover and lift the front trunk tub out of the way. Route the DRL module cable from the wheel well area into the front trunk. That completes the installation for the right side module. The left side installs the exact same way. Next, disconnect the power connector from the right headlight. Take the power harness from the kit and connect it in line with the headlight plug. Then connect the other end of the harness to the DRL modules on both sides. Once connected, the DRLs should power on normally. Tidy up and secure any extra wiring. Now reinstall the front trunk tub. Reconnect the tow hook cover plug and reinstall the cover panel. Put the air intake and cabin intake panels back in place and tighten the 4 front trunk mounting screws. Next, reinstall the inner fender liner and secure all the clips. Put the wheel back on. Thread the lug nuts on first. Then lower the car from the jack and fully tighten the lug nuts. Reinstall the wheel cover. Finally, remove the nearby door seal, the triangle trim panel, and the clips. Then remove the door sill trim. Take the control box power cable, unplug the factory connector, and connect the control box in line with the factory plug. Hide the control box and wiring neatly. Then reinstall the door sill trim. Clips, triangle panel, and door seal. And that's it. The RGB daytime running lights are fully installed and ready to go.